Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Laura Harris. Say hello to Theon Design's newly unveiled first Italian commission. The company revealed the latest bespoke Porsche 911.
Basically, our customers spend a lot of time with us working to tailor the car to exactly what they want. So they're so heavily involved in the design process. The cars are hugely, personal. Their style, their personality is in the car.
Co-founded by Adam Hawley, Theon Design specializes in delivering bespoke commissions based on the Porsche 911. The company is driven by a desire to build the perfect vehicle that combines aesthetics with comfort, drivability, and performance.
But the best part of the job is when you show them their finished car the first time and, they smile like a 5-year-old boy. And, that's just what makes mine and the whole team's, job worthwhile.
Fully restored and enhanced with a lightweight carbon body, 400 brake horsepower, a 6-speed manual box, gearbox, brakes, and limited slip differential from the 993 RS, and transformed dynamics that take this vehicle to new heights.
This car is our first car for Italy. It's a full carbon car, 4-litre. It's actually got an original 993 RS gearbox in it, of which they only made just over 1,000. So it's a special car, very special car.
There's transformed breadth of dynamic ability, thanks to a switchable 5-stage tractive active controlled electronic stamping system. Hawley says they've applied Theon Design's signature blend of cutting-edge automotive technology with OEM-grade design and manufacturing techniques and British handcrafted quality.
It just has the personality and the style of the owner. He's a very stylish Italian gentleman, and it absolutely comes across in the car. The black is just it's almost understated, but it just oozes style and finesse.
Each car is a totally unique collaboration with the customer and takes 18 months to build. Thanks so much, Adam, for taking the time to speak with us. Well, that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at AutoNewsTV and online at autonews.com for updates from our reporters all day, every day. I'm Laura Harris. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you all next time.